When performance matters, Ideal's line of premium vinyl electrical tape provides superior performance over a wide range of temperatures. Suitable for temperature extremes from cold weather applications as low as 0 degrees Fahrenheit and high temperature ranges up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Not all tapes can be trusted to stick in extreme temperatures. In cold environments, you need a vinyl tape that will not harden and create a weak bond. In hot environments, you want a tape that can handle the heat and won't cause the adhesive to melt, creating a loose connection. With Blue Core technology that provides high elasticity, that is flame retardant, high UV resistant, and is impervious to water, oil, acids, alkalides, and a wide variety of corrosive chemicals, providing a moisture-tight electrical and mechanical protection with minimum bulk for electrical splices rated up to 600 volts. The tape is designed with elasticated backing that stretches to more than 2 times its original length, and an aggressive adhesive you can trust to create a secure bond. Try a roll of the Ideal Wire Armour Premium Professional Vinyl Tape on your next job and see how it outperforms ordinary vinyl tapes. If you'd like to learn more, please visit our website or contact our customer service department. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. I'm Ron with Ideal. I'll see you on the next one.